Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making yummy dessert recipe for Eid. Less ingredients we can make within half an hour. Yummy in taste. Boiled milk 250 ml, sugar 4 tablespoon, evaporated milk 50 ml, agar agar powder 2 tablespoon. You can add halal gelatin as well. Vanilla essence half tablespoon. Mix everything. Transfer to a bowl. Refrigerate for 1 hour. In a saucepan, blueberry 200 grams, sugar 4 tablespoon, water 2 tablespoon. Mix everything. Cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Lemon juice 2 drops optional. Now it's ready. Keep aside. Transfer to a serving plate. On top, blueberry sauce. Yummy easy dessert is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.